Now you are going to have your social study revision. I am sharing the screen with you. So here you have the questions we are going to revision today. So this we have done already. Now from today we are going to do from here. Write the years in which this event occurred. Yes, what is the question? Write the years in which these events are occurs. For example, first one, Quit India movement. Quit India movement, which year it took place? So it is answer is August 1942. Yes, Quit India movement, August, it took place 1942, in August 1942. Okay. Second one, partition of Bengal. Partition of Bengal, which year it took place? 1905. Yes, partition of Bengal, 1905. India gets freedom. India gets freedom, you know very well. This took place 15th August 1947. India gets freedom means India gets freedom. We celebrate at Independence Day, that is 15th August 1947. Then the next one is non-cooperation movement. Non-cooperation movement, this event, which year it take place? It took place in, this is non-cooperation, it is 1920. Yes, non-cooperation movement, this is 1920. This Gandhiji started, this is 1920. Okay, the next is civil disobedience movement. Civil disobedience movement, which year it took place? This is December 1930. It has given the month also December 1930. Then the last one is Jallianwala Bagh massacre. Jallianwala Bagh massacre, it started 13 April. This event took place 13 April 1919. Yes, 1990. So these are the answer. And please, you have to memorize it. You have to memorize, you have to practice, you have to write it several times in your notebook in order to like learn by heart. Now we'll move to question 2. Fill in the blanks. These are the words as given. From here, you have to choose the correct answer. Yes, it is easy for you. Dash is also known as the lower house. So the words have given United Nations, Lok Sabha, Jallianwala Bagh, High Court, Begum, Hazrat Mahal, and then Bahadur Shah Jafar, Jonas Sol. These are the words I've given, and this is filling the blanks. You have to fill it from here. The dash is known as the lower house. The answer will come Lok Sabha. Yes, the Lok Sabha is also known as the lower house. Okay, next one is GAS is an organization that helps in maintaining peace in the world. Which organization that helps in maintaining peace in the world? That is United Nations. United Nations. You have started in lesson number 19. Yes. Just put a full stop over here because these all are a sentence. Just a minute. Where I am. Yes, this is full stop and this is also a full stop. Okay, this is okay. Full stop. Okay, this is, so now, here the second answer is what? United Nations. Okay, now third one will go, the highest judicial body in the state is. The highest judicial body in the state is, what is the correct answer? High Court. Yes, the correct answer is High Court. The highest judicial body in the state is High Court. Now we'll move to the next one. The revolt was led by at our which play who? This is Begum Hazrat Mahal. Okay, so answer is Begum Hazrat Mahal. She is the leader to the place was Awa. Yes, there she was the leader. General Dyer fired at the people gathered at. So General Dyer, उन्होंने order, he ordered that fire the people where they have gathered at the place that is Jallianwala Bagh. Yes, the place is Jallianwala Bagh. Jallianwala Bagh में जो people gather हुआ था, General Dyer says now fire at them. So the answer is Jallianwala Bagh. Now next one is gas is developed a vaccine against polio. Gas developed a vaccine against polio. Who? So you have to write the name of the person who developed a vaccine against polio. That is, which can answer is Jonas Salk. Jonas Salk, he developed a vaccine against polio. Then Jas was the last Mughal emperor. So it is easy for you to say which is remained. This is Bahadur Shah Jafar. Bahadur Shah Jafar was the last Mughal emperor. Yes, last जो Mughal king has, that is Bahadur Shah Jafar. Okay, so there are you will find this. Of course, you will practice, write several times. You will find some more in your book that also need to study and practice. Okay, these are the answer I already share with you. We'll move to next one. Define the following. So you have to write the definition. Definition means you have to write the definition of these all these words. Wrapped. The first one is wrapped. Then perfect ten, alliance, racist policy, human rights, chatter, concentration camp. These are the words. So what is wrapped? So answer wrapped, a flat board made of pieces of wood tied together. So this is a board and the woods are there tied together. That's a wrapped. It's a board actually. It's a board, flat board. Then perfect 10 is the high score. Perfect 10 मतलब high score. इससे ज़्यादा score नहीं हो सकता है. हाँ? Cannot give more than that. So the highest score is perfect tense. So perfect tense means the highest score. Okay. Next is alliance. Alliance is what? Alliance is an agreement between countries. Alliance is an agreement between countries. कंट्री के बीच में जो एग्रीमेंट हुआ दैट इज अलायंस. Racist policy. Racist policy is unfair treatment of a particular group or race of people. So when on the particular people के ऊपर जो unfair treatment मतलब जब justice नहीं होता है, अन्याय होता है, न्याय जब नहीं होता, अन्याय होता कोई ग्रुप ऑफ पीपल के ऊपर और ग्रुप ऑफ जाति के ऊपर, तो दैट इज कॉल्ड रेसिस्ट पॉलिसी. Human rights. Human rights, what is human rights? Basic right of every individual to be treated fairly. So this is basic right. Every individual should get basic right. They should get treated fairly. Means they should get justice. So that is basic right of every individual to be treated fairly. Every individual, they have the basic right that they should get it. So that is human right. Chatter. What is chatter? A written description of how an organization is to be formed and how it should function. So chatter is what? It's a written description. Somewhere it is written. उसमें क्या लिखा है? How the organization will work, it is formed, and how it will work, how it will function. So that is chatter. Concentration camp. Concentration camp is what? A prison where people were starved and tortured. तो ये कंसंट्रेशन कैंप जो था एक प्रिजन है, मतलब जेल है जिसमें लोगों को टॉर्चर किया जाता है. स्टाफ मतलब बहुत बहुत अन्याय करके उसको मारते हैं, टॉर्चर करते हैं. दैट इज कंसंट्रेशन कैंप. उसको मार देता है, मीन्स दे किल ओवर देयर. टॉर्चर करते हैं, दे किल ओवर देयर. दैट इज concentration camp, which is a prison where people get like this, they kill or they torture. That is concentration camp. Okay, so these are the words This is called the defined word. So you have to define like this. There you will find in your book some more words are there. So those also you can practice. This you learn by heart. You write it several times in your notebook. With this you will find some more words are there in your book. So this also you have to practice. Now we'll go to the next one. What are the full forms of the following? This is UNICEF, UNESCO, WHO, FAO, ILO. You will find these are the words you get from lesson number 19, the last lesson. So what is UNICEF? UNICEF, United Nations International Children's Emergency Fund. United Nations International Children Emergency Fund. So U for United, and N for, this is U means United, N for nation, I is international, C is children, E emergency, and F one. Okay, so United Nations International Children's Emergency Fund. Second one, UNESCO. Yes, UNESCO, same thing. It is U means United, N is nation, United Nation. Then E is what? Educational. Then after that you put comma. Then S is scientific, and you add, and then you write C for culture and O for organization. So United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization, that is UNESCO. We'll move to next one, WHO, WHO, WHO is World Health Organization. Yes, W for World, H for Health, and O for Organization. So World Health Organization. Now we'll move to next, FAO. FAO what? Food and Agriculture Organization. So F means food, and you put and then you write A for agriculture and O for organization. So food and agriculture organization. Okay, now next is ILO. ILO full form is I for international, L for labor, and O for organization. So International Labor Organization is ILO. Yes. So these are the words full form. This is also you have to memorize it. You have to learn by heart. You practice. You write several times in your notebook. Okay, we'll move to the next question. This is on a political map of India. Show 6 main centers of revolt in 1857. तो आपको क्या दिखाना है पॉलिटिकल मैप के ऊपर? इंडिया में, इंडिया का जो पॉलिटिकल मैप है उसमें आपको 6 मेन सेंटर दिखाना है जो रिवॉल्ट हुआ था 1857 का, जो रिवॉल्ट हुआ था उसका 6 सेंटर को आपको दिखाना है पॉलिटिकल मैप में। तो यहाँ पे ये जो है 6 सेंटर, मीरठ, दिल्ली, अवध, कानपुर, कलकत्ता, झांसी, 6 सेंटर है। तो ये आप देखो, ये आपका मैप है, इसमें ये मेरठ है, दिल्ली, कानपुर, अवध, कलकत्ता, झांसी, कहाँ पे ये 6 जगह है। तो ये आपको ऐसा करके लिखना है। तो दिस इज you can practice at home. You can draw the map, Indian map you draw, and then you practice these other things. Otherwise you can get it from the market, ready-made map you can get it, and you can practice all the things as many as possible. I told only the 6, there are more you will find, so you can practice. Okay, so thank you students. Today I will stop over here the class. Okay, and all these things you have to practice a lot. Okay, let's close this class now.